Hi, my name is Jessica and I have no idea what I'm doing. Today is just a short little video just so you can get an idea of what I've been up to in regards to the makeup world as of late. Since I'm off for the summer now, I decided that I really need to get my act together with all of my makeup. It's just been everywhere in my room. You can't even walk in my room, like there's boxes all over. So I've been trying to take care of it. I've been trying to separate it, organize it, see what's expired, see what needs to be spruced up or just thrown out, and set up a new system. So as I've been doing this for days and days and days, not days on end straight, of course, I've been doing other things in between, but it's definitely a project, especially because I want it a certain way and there's so much to go through. It's not even fun. It should be fun. I guess that's what I'm here to show you. I'm here to show you what I've been up to and just to tell you that, like, don't get like me. Remember, I don't get paid for this. This is all a hobby. This is all something I enjoy. This is all something just to validate in a small way all the makeup that I have, if that's not true, and help someone out with everything that I have. By giving reviews, telling you, what I think of different products, showing you swatches, colors, comparisons, formulas, etc. But I have way too much, and I know you've heard that before, and I know that, but I thought it was a lot, and I knew it was going to be more than I expected. I still didn't expect it to be this much makeup, especially for someone, like I said, unpaid on YouTube. So let me show you around my room, makeup wise, what we have going on at the moment. This is what is on my floor. I have, oh, that was thunder. This is what I've been doing. I have palettes in here and in here and some over there and some over there. And I mean, these buckets, ouch, I just hit into another bin. These buckets are deep. So there's absolutely at least 200 palettes here. This is eyeshadow singles that don't easily go into, say, a palette of singles where you can move them around. You would have to depot these. Then I have a couple of random things in here as well. I have this Kaja cream shadow that you squeeze out of the tube and apply. I also have a couple old roll-on shimmer eyeshadows from NYX. I have a couple pressed glitters in here, but not the ones that you just put in a palette. Like this, you would have to depot it from its little container. Then these are mostly the powder ones. I have, where are they? I lost track of where everything is. Hang on, let me see. So here are some more singles, but these are the easily just plop them in a palette type thing. Where did the cream shadows go? Oh, you know what? They might be under here. Yep. All my ColourPop Super Shocks and a few other cream eyeshadows in a pot. Those are all in here. Then I have some unused lip products here. I'm not even gonna worry about those right now. Oh, fudge. I just fell over some boxes. These are lip balms. Up here I have lipsticks. Down here I have bronzers. Look how few bronzers I have. I mean, that, it's just compared to everything else. I had no idea that I had so many highlighters. This is ridiculous. These are unopened tools, so brushes and eye pencil sharpener type of thing, and eyeshadow applicators. These are some of the Ofra liquid lipsticks that I won that time. I have them in a few different categories. So I have some over here. Then I have liquid eyeshadows over here. These are unused palettes, so new. So again, I'm not even gonna worry about those so much right now. I'm gonna put those like in the other room until like I use them along with these unused lip products. And these new products here, so like some eyeshadows, an eye pencil, I think that's like a cleanser or something, like a whole bunch of different things that I haven't gotten around to yet. And then, so I'm just gonna focus on putting like these kinds of things back into drawers and whatnot, and bins, and to organize them. And then as I use the newer makeup, I will worry about that afterwards and just put them aside for now. In here I have some more palettes. These are singles in here, and like some new eyeshadows. Oh, that's a lie. Wait, no, I have used these. I mixed up my, okay. So I'm gonna need to figure out this box here. These are replacements. So these are all products that I have already, but these are like backups of them for when the other ones run out or get old. Which, I probably don't need that, but okay. They're here. Then here I have some face products. I have powders, concealers, foundations, some serums, like a couple random eyebrow things. This is my makeup cleaner. That's kind of a little bit of a mixed bag right now. Not as distinct as the highlighters, the bronzers. And then there are blushes up here, as well as like some duos and like mixed things. So like this has blush and highlighter in it in a palette. So does this, so does this. This has like blush and bronzer. So like some mixed things up here. Even the blushes, I feel like it's more than I thought I had. And I feel like a lot of them are very similar. So I definitely didn't need them. Mascaras are all in there. And again, that's a somewhat deep box, you know, for like all mascaras. And my eyelash curler. What do I have here? More liquid lipsticks. Help. Send help, please. Then down here I have lip glosses. There's just so much everywhere. I think that covers what I have going on here. And then, oh, hello, I forgot up here. So I have some brushes and applicators and pads and stuff that I need to clean and do something with. I have my NYX butter glosses up here. Those are some of my favorites. And I have some of my favorite items up here. So the Fresh Sugar lip balms, I have the Too Faced, what are these called? The Hardcore lipsticks. I have the two Avatar lip products from ColourPop. I have the Just a Tints from ColourPop. And I have the Revlon Satin Ink liquid lipsticks back there. Over here, I have my brushes that I use like all the time. And got my beauty blender that's growing mold. Can you see? That's nice, isn't it? So I am going to get rid of that, but I want to like film a video with it first so other people know what happened. See, like it's green on this side and not over here. Isn't that nice? I have my color switch, my fake color switch over here that is coming apart, as you can see, so I need to switch it out for the new one that I have. And I think I'm going to move these watches into my jewelry box over here. As you can see, I just have way too much of everything, and I'm not even showing you the rest of my room, like all my clothes and stuff. But I think I'm going to move this, and that way have space for some more makeup products up here. Here I have my e.l.f. Sheer Slick lipsticks, as well as my eyeshadow primers and glitter primer. Here I've been separating my eyeliners, so I have most of my pencil eyeliners here, or like, you know, like the creme gel ones from ColourPop and stuff like that. I have most of my liquid liners here, and then the ones that didn't fit are here, so I gotta figure something out for this. And then I have some Avon ones that are in like a pot, like gel ones, and then I have this one too that I totally forgot about from the creme shop. and then I have whatever pencil ones didn't fit over here. So the way I had things was that I had sunglasses up here, and then I had some palettes here, and I had some palettes here. And then you see I have socks, I have some more socks, and then I have like some hair ribbons down there. And then here, oh, so what I'm doing is I moved my sunglasses downstairs so I can grab them on the way out of the house, and that frees up a space for a bin. Another bit of makeup. I had like mixed things in here. I had some face products in here. I had single eyeshadows, I think, in here, but like mixed along with eyeliners. And then this one was like lip products mixed with like liquid eyeshadows. Like everything just got all mixed together because I have way too much stuff and not enough space. And then there were like 2 drawers of palettes. As you can see, I have like hair accessories and stuff down here that I need to clean up a little bit, just put things together. It would be nice if I could free up a drawer, but that's not gonna happen. So this is the space that I have for the makeup, and these drawers here, some space on here, the dresser, and then I freed up these 2 drawers. So these 2 are empty right now. See, these had clothes, and I moved them either upstairs or downstairs depending on where I wanted them. And then that drawer and that drawer also empty. So I am hoping that all of this is going to fit. And like I said, in the other room, I do have more unused makeup, but I would say that I don't have more than, say, 2 boxes like this of it, which is more than enough already, and there's just so much going on. This has been really overwhelming, and like it should make me happy, like, oh, look at all the things that I have, this is so much fun. Like, it's not. It's just been like, oh my god, it instead of me being excited about all that I have and all the variety and all the choices and like, oh, look at this, look at that, or oh, I forgot about this, like yeah, I'm excited to use it again kind of thing. For the most part, it's been instead, oh my god, there's more, oh my god, there's more, please make it stop. I'm definitely doing better. Like, I know this doesn't look like it, but this is stuff that I've accumulated over the years, especially during the pandemic and like right before it. Like I said, a friend of mine, his father was dying from cancer, and so, you know, among other emotional things, where this is how I dealt with it. And that's come to bite me in the butt here. There are certainly worse ways to deal with your emotions, but there are better ways. So, like I said in that other video where I talked about this, it's a good idea to talk to someone about how you're feeling, whether that's a mental health professional or just someone in your family or friend circle that you trust, because if you don't, this is what happens. Don't get me wrong, I'm grateful for all of this. You know, I don't want to seem ungrateful. It's just, it's way too much, especially when I'm not making any money off of this. So I hope you enjoyed this little update. I hope you learned a lesson from it. I hope I learned a lesson from it. There's so much going on here. There's so much for me to do. So you kind of got like a little tour. I'll give you another tour when everything is finally all settled and everything's all like really separated in its new place. And hopefully it's going to be a lot better. It's going to be cleaner. It's going to be more organized. It's going to be easier to see what I have, remember what I have, get to whatever it is that I want. I really would rather separate the palettes by brand, but I don't think I have the room to do that. So I think I'm going to have to separate them by size. So like the biggest palettes maybe in those big drawers, and then put the smaller ones in the smaller drawers. And then seriously, I think I need to keep like a list. Thunder means it's true. I need to keep like a written list somewhere of like what I have by brand and like where it's located, or maybe by drawer and by brand. I don't know, something, because I'm a very disorganized person. So if even I can't find my stuff and think it's disorganized, that's a problem. I'm just praying this is it. I'm praying that I didn't forget anywhere, because this is already just way too much. But yeah, once everything's settled, I will give you another tour and learn from my mistakes. Enjoy your makeup, but that doesn't mean retail therapy fixes everything. All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a good day no matter what it is you're doing. Bye. See you next time.